Hi, good morning. Welcome to the Glossary of Accounting Terms. Let's understand difference between accrued expenses and prepaid expenses. We are going to discuss about accrued expenses and prepaid expenses. Let's read before understanding the difference. Heading is amount paid in advance for the expenses which are expected to be incurred or used in the future are prepaid expenses. Prepaid expenses means amount paid in advance for the expenses to be incurred in future, that are prepaid expenses. Advance amount paid for the expenses which are to be incurred in future. One. Second is accrued expenses. Accrued expenses are liability which is already incurred. Minor difference. Prepaid expenses, it's called amount paid in advance for expenses to be incurred in future. Accrued expenses means accrued expenses which are a liability which is already incurred but payment has not been made yet. For example, Mr. X paid 3-month advance rent. 3-month advance rent paid by Mr. X is prepaid expenses, and electricity bill of rupees 4,500 is payable, means electricity expenses, accrued expenses. Accrued expenses which is already incurred and amount has not been paid. Prepaid expenses, amount paid but expenses to be incurred in the future. Let's read again example. Mr. X paid 3-month rent advance. 3-month rent advance means Mr. X amount paid in advance for the expenses to be incurred in future. It will be treated as prepaid expenses that are asset, and electricity bill which is payable is accrued expenses, that is liability. Minor difference. In this example, rent paid for 3 months in advance is prepaid expenses and electricity bill is accrued expenses. If any doubt, kindly comment or send your query in comments. Thank you.